Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2 Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this week I've made an avatar on Teams. To inject a bit of fun into my meetings, and possibly because I can't be bothered to do my hair and makeup, I'm going to create myself an avatar to use instead of my webcam. To get started, in Teams, select the ellipses on the panel on the left side below Calls, and then select Avatar. It will open the avatar editor and you can click on the plus on the right side of the screen to add a new one. You can have up to 3 avatars per Teams account. Choose a base avatar to get started and select Use Avatar to customize it. Then you can go through all the settings to create your avatar, and there are a fair few options. When you're finished, you can use it in Teams meetings. After you click to join a meeting and you're on the join screen, make sure your camera is off and select Effects and Avatars. Select Avatars, and then you can choose which one to show and also add a background. Then join and the avatar will be visible to everyone in the meeting. Once you begin talking, the avatar will move their mouth. Within the Teams meeting, go to the top of the screen and select More. Then choose Effects and Avatars. This will not only allow you to swap avatars and change the background, but you can also try out the avatar reactions like wave, chef's kiss or thinking. Now you can add your presence to a meeting without turning your webcam on, and you can use the reactions to have some fun. That's it for this week's 2 Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching.